Alright, in this video I'm gonna show you how to calculate ages in Microsoft Excel. To do so, I'm gonna use two simple formulas built in Excel. First one is today. Today function or formula returns the current date in your system. So simply type in today, open and close parentheses. And the second formula is DATEDIF. DATEDIF calculates the number of days, months, or years between two dates. It needs three parameters: start date, end date, and unit. So we already have our first date, which is the date of birth of these people. So let's type in date diff, open parenthesis, choose the first, the start date. In your case, it is date of birth. The second parameter, it is today. And the third parameter is the unit. In your case, since we are looking for the number of years, just type in Y in capital letters, open parenthesis, and closing parenthesis, and boom, we have our ages. Simple like that. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and I see you in the next one. Goodbye.